So, good morning. This is a start to every day. I go and get coffee. Before I put my hair up. It's getting long. Just used my love bug this morning. Now he's going over there. Right to his towel so he can watch that TV. Sorry for scaring you, buddy. Guess what? He let me grab my phone. He's so cute. I love you, baby boy. I love you. He sprang away. Can you hear it? Up close and personal. Do you see yourself? I'm gonna do my water bottle, and I thought you'd want to see how I do it. Back to my computer. I was just thinking about this and I had to say it to my camera. So it's in the books, I guess. So I know for a fact Josh was not gonna do YouTube with me because he does not want to get caught lying because he does it a lot. A lot. I know. So I have to tell you what just happened because I think it's hilarious. But still, it's like, why? Oh, I was on my computer editing videos, and one of them I said, Mom. And I kept rewatching it. I was doing something, but my mom screamed, and then she screamed again, and then she said, what do you want? Like, I don't know. And I told her, Mom, it's my effing computer. And she's like, oh, That's funny. So, that's what's going on in my life right now. But shortly, I'm having eggplant meatballs in gnocchis. And I have my number 5 out of 6. And these ones fit so good. I totally recommend them now that if you go to the actual place, I would totally say do it. Look how fantastic this is. Thank you, Mama.
You're welcome. You're a piggy. And you don't gain a pound.
Yeah, I don't know how that works out.
I don't know how that works out either, baby. But you're doing good.